How do you see, ma'am, your vision and mission as the Chief of the Public Attorney's Office na align po sa ating vision and mission ng ating Presidente?
Nung araw, there was a president in the person of President Duterte who dreamed that there should be a PAO lawyer in every embassy abroad to protect our OFWs. But the then Secretary, Alan Peter Cayetano, said that he can handle the same. So hindi ako nag-insist. Pero one of my vision is that PAO should be expanded to our embassies, consulates in every country where we have OFWs. Para hindi yung bibitayin na lang tatawag sa akin, ma'am, puntahan mo sa ganun, bibitayin na. Gagawa ng paraan. There was a time sa Singapore, meron kaming hinabol, hanggang sa naging 10 years na lang ang sentensya, hindi siya nabitay. Nakauwi na. At marami kami tinutulungan, pero hanggang doon lang,
Yes,
within our budget.
Yes, ma'am.
Wala kaming legal aid fund for OFWs abroad. Nasa DFA.
Yes, ma'am.
So isa yung iniisip ko na kung meron ng DFA, sana wag lang, mawalang galang sa mga taga-DFA, meron din sana ang PAO.
Yes, ma'am.
Kasi pagka mga i-repatriate ngayon, nakikipag-coordinate kami sa Department of Migrant Workers, sa OWA, sa POA. Very responsive naman sila,
Yes,
especially Secretary Tut sa OPLE. So I really mourn when she
Yes,
died. So yun lang.